How to edit your Reels cover image. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to edit your Reels cover image. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram. Now go to your profile and click on the Reels icon, click on your Reel and click on those 3 points. Now click on edit and click on your Reel edit. And now you can select the cover image by selecting from your video, from your reel, or you can add from your gallery. From example, this one, and click on done. And click on the check icon. Wait a second. And this is it. Go back. And this is my new cover image on my reels. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.